In this video, we'll demonstrate how to reset your PS5 by reinstalling the system software. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to reset your PS5 and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get straight to the steps. When encountering the Safe Mode screen with only the option to reset PS5 and reinstall system software, the first step is to shut down your PS5. Hold the power button until it shuts down. Now, hold down the power button again until you hear the second beep. Ensure your controller is connected via USB to the front of the PS5. Press the PS5 button after the second beep to unlock all other options. Use the buttons on the side, not the analog stick, to navigate. Start by attempting to restore default settings. Proceed with caution as some options might not work in certain scenarios. If restoring default settings doesn't resolve the issue, try clearing the system software cache. Unfortunately, if none of the prior attempts work, a factory reset might be necessary. Be aware that a factory reset will delete all user data from the PS5. In some instances, rebuilding the database or updating the system software might be recommended. However, these actions might not solve the problem entirely. Lastly, as a final resort, a factory reset might be needed. This will wipe all users and data from the PS5. Ensure you're ready to proceed with this step, as it's irreversible. During this process, ensure a power connection and be patient as the system goes through the reset. Remember, a factory reset deletes all data, so make sure to have backups if possible. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your support means a lot to us. For more gaming content and tech-related guides, visit mediamagnet.business.